Hi friends, today we will discuss how soap cleans the dirt. First of all, we should know what is dirt. Actually, dirt is oily substance. That oil might be vegetable oil, ghee, grease or diesel, etc. And dirt or this soil dust mixed to this oil makes the dirt. So we will discuss how the soaps clean the dirt. You see, there are two ends of a molecule of a soap. One end is hydrophilic end, that loves water, means attaches to water, and the opposite end is hydrophobic end, that means it remains away from water and towards the dirt. You see, when we wash clothes or we take bath, the dirt is surrounded by a number of molecules of soap. The ends, hydrophobic ends surrounds this dirt, and the hydrophilic ends attaches to the water. So when we rinse the clothes or when we take the shower, clothes and our body gets cleaned. Now we will see the structure of this soap molecule. You see, there are two ends, one is hydrophilic and other is hydrophobic. The hydrophobic end is made up of a long chain of hydrocarbon. Here it is C17H35, and a hydrophilic end which is a carboxylic acid and the sodium, means the whole of the molecule is long chain carboxylic acid, salt of sodium or potassium. So you can see here this long chain of hydrocarbon is like this. The hydrogen is attached to the carbon atoms, and then you see this hydrophilic, and there is a carboxylic acid COO, and there is a sodium. This is carboxylic acid and sodium salt. So whole of the molecule are long chain carboxylic acid, salt of sodium or potassium. Thank you.